guys, this is my tutorial for an Irish coffee mug set with faux whipped cream. In the spirit of the upcoming St. Patrick's holiday, I decided to make a his and hers Irish coffee mug set. As I was looking up inspiration pictures for Irish coffee, I noticed that the coffee was a deep dark brown and I didn't have a good glitter match, so I decided to make one. Mixing Black Beauty, cold brew, and maple gave me the perfect dark brown I was looking for. Perfect for my hers mug. For the his mug, I used mica powders. Starting off with about 30 milliliters of epoxy, I separated it into 3 cups and colored the epoxy using mica powders from Woody's Goodies. By itself, Copperhead was a perfect dark brown, but I also wanted a lighter brown to give some depth to my mug. To get that, I mixed some gingerbread mica powder with Copperhead to get a gorgeous dark coppery brown. For the foam, I used white snow dispersion color. My 16-ounce mugs have already been sanded and prepped with Rustoleum Ultra and Dark Walnut and White. And my hers cup has a thin layer of epoxy on it, about 5 milliliters. I love glittering my tumblers using the epoxy method, especially if I'll be doing any type of ombre effect. After applying our mica colored epoxy on the his tumbler, let it cure and it's ready for our decal. After our hers tumbler cures, add 1 more layer of epoxy over the glitter and we'll be ready for the next step. I wanted the hers tumbler to have the look of coffee as well, but with the added glitter element. To get that, I glittered the cup first, and now I'm going to be doing the hers cup just like we did with our his cup and add some mica powders. Okay guys, as you can see, I split the epoxy between 3 medicine cups, but you're actually going to need 4. I completely forgot to save some extra clear epoxy to add to my tumbler first. I ended up mixing some extra clear epoxy in the next frame, so when you see me doing that, that's what I'm doing. Add your mica powders and dispersion color, and if you don't have any dispersion color, you can also use some white epoxy dye. For a little extra shimmer, I also added some glitter flakes to my white. I already added the drips along with some faux chocolate crumbles to my His tumbler, and now I'm removing the excess epoxy around the rim using my X-Acto knife. To make the rim nice and smooth, I'll also use my rotary tool to sand along the edge so I get a nice clean seal when I add my final coats of epoxy. I added 2 thin coats of epoxy since I could still slightly feel the decal after the first coat. Let cure, and then I was all done. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. Have fun making your tumblers, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!